Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have the Blackshark S1Pro. So this is the smartwatch products from Blackshark. And we know before this brand, they focus on the gaming devices like the gaming phones and gaming accessories. And to be frank, long time no new product from this brand, and especially for smartphones. But this time they updated the smartwatch, and they bring us the S1 Pro. So this is AI smartwatch, and it's get a Mecha style. And here is a design. We can see it from in the front on the box front side, and also this is very normal classical box design. Here's the Blackshark logo and Blackshark model name S1 Pro. And at the back of the side, we can find the basic information about this smartwatch, Blackshark S1 Pro. That's the AMOLED display, 1.43-inch AMOLED screen, and support 100 sport models, and it supports 15 days battery life and fully washable IP68 rating supported. And also it's get the gaming mode, the monitoring, and also the chat GPT. I think this is mainly for the Chinese chat GPT products. So this is the Blackshark S1 Pro, and we have the blue plus gray edition, and they called the sandstone blue. Yes, so today I'm going to unbox it and have a very quick talking about this product. So next, let's open it. Let's check the final appearance about this device, so this smartphone watch. So here, after we open it, whoa, here's the smartwatch. It's just in front of us. Put it here first, and then check the other two small boxes first. Here, okay, this is a user guide, and here, okay, this box, okay, is the charging. Okay, so there's a charging cable. Okay, so this charging cable is a white color cable, and here I think it's the charging. We can connect it to the watch and the charging the smartwatch. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside the box. And next, okay, let's check the. Here's the user guide. Yes, the basic introduction. Whoa, about how to use it. So we're long. Use the menu and the cable. Next, let's go to the smartwatch. Okay, so here we have smartwatch. This is the screen protector. Blackshark. So this is the main user interface. I think we can change the clock plate as we like. So here, yes. So this is a smartwatch. First, we check the appearance. So this is the blue color, sandstone blue, and this thing uses the stainless material. I think yes. Also here is matted the car plate. Also the car framework, metal. So it's really a Mecha, and this style, mechanical design. And here the Blackshark name. Also buttons, home button, mode button. I think this is the back button. Yeah. Also here on the back side, these are the sensor to detect your blood sugar or heart breathing or heart breathing. And also the wearable band, very soft, and the material is gel. Yeah, I think it's gel, very soft. And when I wear it, I feel it's very comfortable. Yeah, easy, very easy to wear it here like this. Okay, next I'm going to introduce it. So there's a couplet, lumpers. You can change it. This is the home button. Heart rating, sleep, sport, record, call menu, alarm, weather, stopwatch, time, music, camera. So this camera, I will show you. If you connect it to the smartphone, and then you here's the web. Can Okay, now next I'm going to introduce the main features about this smartwatch from Blackshark. So this is a couplet, get connect, hours, music play. Here the menu, time, and different icons. You can get different light settings, notification, sleep mode, different mode. There's quick personalization, so the quick buttons. How to quick in long press, you change the couplet design, and here activity, heart rating, sleep, sport, weather, stopwatch, camera, stress, his breathing exercise, stock market, AI voice settings. So I'm going to show you how to use the camera. So first I will show you my phone, because this time I installed a app they call the Sharkware, and here if you use this, you want to use the camera, and you can click here. So if you connect to your watch, to your smartphone, and you click here, you take a picture, and also here if you take a picture, and also here you can get the blood oxygen, heart rating, sleep, stress monitor, weight, sport mode, device, setting the device. This is more convenient. And also I'm going to show you another interesting function, voice. Hi Blackshark. Hi Blackshark. Hi Blackshark. Hi Blackshark. Hi, good morning. So it's the AI function, so it can just translate, and not so smart, actually, Frank. Yeah, and more functions I can show you here. You can measure still. Smartwatch, camera, stress, breathing, always. Yeah, Alipay. You can use it to pay. Weather, so sleep, heart racing. So it can detect your heart breathing. Okay, so these are the main features about this device, and also has made a conclusion on this device. So first is a smartwatch product from Blackshark, and it's a Mecha design AI powered smartwatch. Okay, so let's make a conclusion on this smartwatch from Blackshark. So here we can find is okay, very nice and cool designed smartwatch, and it's a Mecha metal designed. It's really cool, and this time this smartwatch is powered by AI, so you can talk to it and you can translate your voice, and you get translated to different languages, and also you can get very powerful healthy detecting and functions from this to put heart rating and oxygen the density test, and also the specification about this smartwatch is also very nice. The 1.43-inch AMOLED screen, and the 60 Hz refresh rate, and 3 to 6 ppi, and 300 nit peak brightness, and 466 display resolution. It's very nice on the display performance. And the standby time is also cool, 15 days daily use and 30 days standby time. And they support over 100 sport mode, and also get notification and calls from this device. So yes, so this is our quick talk on the smartwatch Blackshark S1 Pro, and thanks for watching. Let's end the video for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.